freaking cold out here this morning. When I woke up at, I didn't wake up until about 8:30 this morning. Of course, I had to have a glass of wine to unwind. So it was about midnight before I finally got in bed. Anyhow, I woke up at 8:30 this morning. It was 15 degrees. Everything is frozen solid today. The wind is blowing pretty good out here. You can probably hear it on the camera. There is going to be no washing of equipment today. The high is not supposed to get above 25, so this salt is going to stay on the tractors and trucks a while longer, it looks like. I'm headed out now to see how the roads are, see if there's any cleaning up that needs to be done. Although with temperatures like this, you're not going to move much snow. It's going to be frozen solid. So probably not a lot of melting, though the sun is shining. There is salt on the roads. We've probably had some drifting because of the wind. So I'm going to go out, see if any driveways need clearing, if the county roads need a little touch up, anything like that. But yeah, no washing of equipment. Let me just give you a run around here on the truck, let you see all the snow build up on it. So, of course, when they load our spreaders with salt, the bucket is a little bit larger than our spreader, so salt goes everywhere, so you can kind of see it laying around. So things rust up quickly, of course, as we know with this salt, but all of this stuff is just frozen solid in here. There is no moving it. So I had a problem yesterday, brand new spreader. I did have a problem with the spinner. I think the motor here, there is an issue with it. So I will call the company on Monday morning, getting a replacement motor for this. The spinner started acting up and not turning as quickly as it should have. So I pulled it apart myself to figure out the problem. I think it's the actual motor or gearbox in here that turns the spinner. One thing I did realize yesterday, the beauty of this electric model, it pulls off of here easy enough. These two pins and this assembly comes off. So we had one of our pickup trucks get stuck. He did not need a tractor to pull him out, just a pickup truck. So I went down to pull him out. Two pins and a connection over here. I can take this off, put my hitch back in to hook a chain to in order to yank him out of there. That's not as easy to do with the gas models. So then you really have no place to hook a chain to yank anybody out. But that is one of the things I like about this. Although if there's going to be a problem with these electric motors, I'm not so sure I'm going to like it. Yeah, just everything is frozen solid right now. There's nothing that's going to get that off. So we'll wait for warmer days. Not going to happen until Tuesday before we can get this cleaned up. Okay, I had to try it, but that did not do much good. It is like 22 degrees out here. I wanted to try to get some salt off of here, but that just wasn't happening. It's freezing as quickly as I can spray it. Now, I did get some of the big chunks that were laying up on here. I got some of that off, able to get some of this crap out of the wheel well. But really, based on the road conditions, that's not going to really do a lot of good, because as soon as I get back out on the roads, all that shit's going to build up on here again. But anyway, I gave it a shot. I tried it. See ya.